when the divisor having one term and dividend having many terms. In this question, dividend having 4 terms and divisor having only one term, monomial. 4 terms divided by 1 term. How we will divide? We will write first term divided by the divisor. We will write this in bracket. Now we will put sign always here plus. Now we will put next bracket. What is the second term? Minus 24 x raised to power 3 divided by minus 3x raised to power 2. Next we will put plus sign. Again bracket. We will write third term. Third term is positive divided by minus 3x raised to power 2. Next plus sign. We will write here fourth term 9 divided by minus 3x raised to power 2. We will write in these 4 in bracket. Now we will solve. Plus divided by minus, answer will be negative. 6 divided by 3, it is 2. X raised to power divided by x raised to power 2, bases are same, power will be subtracted. X 4 minus 2 plus. Now we will solve second bracket. Minus divided by minus, answer will be positive. We will now write positive sign. 24 divided by 3, it is 8. X raised to power 3 divided by x raised to power 2, power will be subtracted. X raised to power 3 minus 2 plus. Now we will solve third term. Plus divided by minus, answer will be negative. 15 divided by 3, 5. X raised to power 2 minus 2 plus divided by minus, answer will be negative. 9 divided by 3, 3 and x raised to power 2. Because in dividend no variable here, so we will write in divisor x raised to power 2. Now minus 2 x raised to power 2, it is plus, it is plus. We will write here plus 8 x, it is plus, it is minus. Now it is negative 5 x raised to power 0, and it is plus, it is minus. We will write here minus 3 by x raised to power 2. Now it is minus 2 x raised to power 2 plus 8x, x raised to power 0 is 1. When we multiply minus 5 with 1, answer will be minus 5 and minus 3 by x raised to power. It is the answer. So when the dividend having many terms, we will convert it into first term divided by this divisor, monomial divided by monomial. Second term, we will convert these in monomials. Monomials divided by monomials. Second example. By 3 z raised to power 4 minus 1 by 3 z raised to power 2 minus 1 divided by 1 by 3z. Same, we will write first term 2 by 3 z raised to power 4. Because the coefficient of z and here z4 is in rational, we will write this form 1 by 3z. Now we will put here plus sign minus 1 by 3 z raised to power 2 divided by 1 by 3z plus minus 1 divided by 1 by 3z. Two by 3 multiply by 3 by 1, reciprocal of divisor, z raised to power 4 and 1, 4 minus 1 plus minus divided by plus, answer will be minus 1 by 3 multiply by 3 by 1 and it is z raised to power 2 minus 1. Here minus 1 divided by 1 by 3 z, we can write minus 1 divided by z by 3. Cut with the 3 1 it is 2 z raised to power 3 plus 3 1 and 3 1 it is minus z and plus minus 1 multiply by 3 by z 2 z raised to power 3 minus z and minus 3 by z. It is the answer. 2 z raised to power 3 minus z minus 3 by z. Write down the answer in standard form. And you know very well what is the standard form. When we write any polynomial in decreasing order degree wise, then it is called standard form. I hope these questions will be clear to you. Thank you.